Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Stampin' Sue Creates here to do a little unboxing of my recent Stampin' Up order. I know I'm like busy today, uploading lots of videos and trying to make up for some lost time during my recovery. So a lot of things have been piling up, and just wanted to get to them before they get too much out of hand. So if you're brand new here, welcome. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Absolutely free to subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and you'll receive notification when I upload new videos. I notice a lot of you watch and are not subscribers. I'm able to watch that to see where people are from, their age, just a few things to help me with videos. And the way that I decide what type of videos I'm going to share with you is by looking at those demographics and seeing what are the videos that people enjoy, what are the ones that people like, they comment, those kinds of things. So it helps me with my content. And I know I do a variety of different things on this channel, and variety is the spice of life, right? All right, so let's get started. So I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I just celebrated 20 years with being with the company, and we sell all sorts of paper craft products, and they are purchased through my online store at StampinSueCreates.stampinup.net. And if you'd like to receive a catalog and you do not have a demonstrator, please contact me. Let me know. I don't, send out a whole lot of catalogs. Once you order from me, you're on my list, and then you automatically receive them. If you can't wait and you want to see all the wonderful products that I sell, head on over to my online store at StampinSueCreates.stampinup.net and go shopping. See all the fun things. With being a demonstrator, there's certain items that we can purchase demonstrator only. So we have one area on a demonstrator website, which is different from the shop part that you guys see. And that is for some products that have our names on. And this is called under supply list. So I noticed that this is a sweater. And I apologize for the crinkling. Let's see. Oh yeah, there is a way. So this is a logo sweater. And I can reuse this bag. It's old fabric or something. And I know as soon as my cat hears all that crinkling, she's going to be running in. And I noticed that this sweater was on the clearance rack. And yeah, we have clearance racks. We also have clearance racks for you too as customers. And here you'll see it has the Stampin' Up logo, although it wasn't stitched on straight. But that's okay. But isn't it pretty? So I got it in the 2XL because it has cotton in it. But oh my gosh, it's so soft. And I thought if I wash it, it's going to shrink. And I like to wear things big. But I think it's super pretty. Has our Stampin' Up colors and some of our designs. It has a nice pocket on the front. So if this is something that you like, well, you know what to do. Join my team of SUEweet Bee Stampers, and you can go shopping in the section for demos. So another item that is for demonstrators only is face masks. So this is a striped face mask. I got two because there's going to be a giveaway. You know that. You know there's going to be a giveaway upcoming. So be sure to keep following. Join me over on my Facebook page at Stampin' Sue Creates. I'm going to hopefully get back to my live videos on Thursdays, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So Stampin' Up came up with our own little logo face masks. And these are our colors. It has a toggle, so they are adjustable. A little tag on here to tell you what it is and just some information on it. But isn't it cute? Now in the back, it does have a little pocket area where you can go ahead and put a filter in there if you so desire. It's very stretchy. One size fits all. Super cute. And yeah, I'm gonna be giving one of these away. So I haven't decided yet when or where, but follow me here. Follow me over on Facebook at Stampin' Sue Creates, and you'll find out when. So my new little mini cutting and embossing machine, I ordered some extra plates for it because I noticed they've been well loved. Let me bring it over. This is something new that is currently out that customers can order. And I am going to either be doing a video or I'm going to talk about this on a Facebook Live because I found the trick to loading these in. So these are used cutting plates, okay? And this is what they look like when they're new. Nice, clean. But these are well loved, but I wanted to have an extra pair on hand, you know, for when I need them, that I am ready. So I don't want to be left out with cutting plates that are too used. And I'm going to run into difficulty with them. So let me put those away. All right, next up. Oh my gosh. I'm looking for the flyer because, you know, there is a flyer. And, pardon me, something new. It's coming out for customers. Right now, it's for demos only. But if you look in the catalog, there is a stamp set that is not able to be ordered yet, and there is a reason. And it's called Hey Birthday Chick. So many of you may remember Hey Chick stamp set that came out back, oh, maybe 2 years ago. And this is just a flyer I printed off the website. They're bringing that back, and you will be able to order that. Now, right now, demonstrators only can do a pre-order, but it's going to be available February 2nd through the end of June for customers. And it's a whole bundle, 2 bundles. In the catalog, you will see Hey Birthday Chick stamp set. And the reason why you can't order that right now is Stampin' Up! Is doing a special. Save 10% by purchasing the bundles. The Hey Chick stamp set is coming back. And there are going to be chick dies. And starting February 2nd, you'll be able to order the Hey Birthday Chick stamp set and Birthday Chick dies. Now, if you still have the Hey Chick stamp set, which I know a lot of you were holding on to, you'll only have to order the dies. And there's 19 dies that coordinate with that. This one has 11 dies. So that all starts for customers on February 2nd. And of course, I'm going to be doing some stamping with that, you know, through closer to February 2nd, which is really right around the corner. So if you don't want to wait and you want to get these now, join my team. Become a demonstrator. Buy for yourself, your family, support your own habit, just be a hobbyist, do it part-time, full-time, totally up to you. But let's take a look at those a little closer, shall we? Now, of course, I have the stamp set. This is the Hey Chick. So this is the one that was a SaleABration stamp set that was free with a $50 purchase. So if you still have that, you're good to go. All you need to do is to get the, this is the birthday one, the chick dies. Okay. But if you buy the 2 of these together or the 2 of these together, you will save 10% in doing so. So, you know, we always want to save. So this is a red rubber set. Let's take a look at the dies. And let's see, up close and personal, right? Now, one thing you may want to keep in mind is because these 2 stamp sets and dies, well, especially the dies, are so close together, you want to make sure, unless you don't really care, that you don't mix them up. As a demonstrator, I want to make sure I don't mix them up, so I'm not telling you the wrong thing. But look at how cute these are. They have a corn stalk. They have little corn and the green part. We have some chicken wire, a little hen house, some eggs, a sign to cut out the chicks. We have one here that has like little footprints, a little log, super cute. And this is the chick dies. And the chick dies go along with the Hey Chick stamp set. So we'll look at the flyer a little closer. There's the little dies. So they have dies to cut out the 3 chickens and that little tiny chick. Well, not even, yeah, I guess it's a peep, a little peep. So that's that one. Now let's take a look at the Hey Birthday Chick. So this too is a bundle. This is the one that is in the annual catalog. And the other one, I didn't really mention the words it says. So the words are separate. Hey chick, you're a good egg and have a happy day. And I mean, who doesn't love the bad hair day, you know? I've been having a lot of those myself lately. So the Hey Birthday Chick has a happy birthday. You're still a spring chicken. Best of cluck. Let's celebrate you. There's the bad hair day chicken going after the cupcake. Look at who doesn't love a little fat chicken. Here's one with a balloon. Look at that little chick there. The little peep, the little mask on, and the little party hat. Some little stamps there to do a little background. Really cute. And let's check out the dies for that. And these would be the birthday chick dies. So, all right, let's check it out. So let's see what we've got. All right. So here we have the, let me pull, where's the stamp set? All right. So we have the 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 to cut out all these little stamped images. We have, looks like some little scratch marks, some little indentations that'll do some embossing. We have like a pillow, like a feed bag. Here's a little tiny chick, a bow tie, happy birthday, and a fence. And then I'm not really sure if this is just like a banner thing, or that could be like grass, or heck, it could be anything you want it to be. So these are the birthday chick dies, and they coordinate with the Hey Birthday Chick stamp set. So you're going to definitely want to add these to your wish list. Now, also being a demo, of course, we can earn SaleABration free items. Now, you may say, well, you know, I know what I purchased here is probably over $100. And yes, it is. But one of the other perks of being a demonstrator is with your sales and with your team sales, you earn commission from that. Something new Stampin' Up! Did, a new commission way of paying us, is that we also earn product credit. So I used my credit. So a lot of this I got for free by using the credit. So you'll only see one SaleABration item here. Now, when I purchased the sweater, and I'm going to show you this little desktop cover, those are supply items. So we don't make a commission off of those. Those are just what the price is on the supply list, it is. So the SaleABration set that I got, and when I was doing my SaleABration video, I mentioned this. This is called Heal Your Heart. And it's a SaleABration. So this is a free item with a $50 purchase before tax and shipping. And I love the script on this. It says, we're in this together. And I mean, really, after the past year, what we've been, I can't promise to always fix your problems, but I can promise you won't ever face them alone. I mean, how many people can you relate, you know, that you would send a card with these sayings? This is a must. Sorry for your loss. I don't know what I would do without you. Wishing I could heal your heart. And then, of course, a thank you. Very beautiful script. These are on the red rubber. So you have your sticker sheets to put on. And this is a free SaleABration set while supplies last. Now, SaleABration only runs through the end of February, and then it's done and over. And a lot of the SaleABration items are, going to sell out quickly because they're very well loved and people are really gathering them up because it's a great deal. And the Hey Chick and Hey Birthday Chick, don't forget, that's a February 2nd. You're able to order that. Unless you join my team, you'll be able to order that right away. Now, this is a Stampin' Up! Calendar desk pad. Let's take a look at this. This also is a supply item. Now, all of these cello bags, you don't want to get rid of them. Even the ones that come with your dies, because you can use these in your stamping projects. You can make fake shaker cards. You can do all kind of different techniques with them. So I like to save. And I know you're saying, oh my gosh, save. Just get yourself a little box. Put these items in there and save them, because you're going to be able to use them to make other things with. So let's check out this desk calendar. This is beautiful. And it has a grid on here. So how wonderful would this be to use either? And it's nice and thick. And look at this on the bottom. Oh, they're different. Oh my. This would be great to use for your stamping, for aligning up, for making little notes, or, when you go to work. So it looks like there's two different pages. There's the one that has the little bit of the, let me make sure you're seeing that. Yeah, you are. A little bit of the ferns on the side, and then there's the other sheet that has the light yellow on the side, and then some little floral designs down on the bottom here. Beautiful. And let me see, does it tell you how many? 11 by 15. No, it doesn't say. Just says 1. So it's 11 by 15, but I don't know, maybe 100 sheets. I'm not really certain. Maybe 50. It's hard to tell because they're so super thick. But real nice way to have a nice desk calendar. Well, not calendar, desk pad to work on. So now don't forget about the Hey Chick and the Hey Birthday Chick coming out February 2nd. And if you need more information, you need help, maybe you'd like to join the SUEweet Bee Stampers team, reach out to me, let me know. You can go to my online store and check out the information there. But if you need further information, I'd love to help you out. I've been on this journey now for starting my 21st year, and I have been loving every single minute of it. So I want to make sure that you also have the opportunity to come join me. Give it a try. It costs $99. There's a special going on right now for those that join. You get 5 packs of brand new designer series papers that will not be out until the new catalog comes in June. So that also is a freebie. So $99, no shipping. You get to pick $125 of product of your choice and the free designer series paper, not to mention all the other benefits, including a a discount on your purchases or your sales, depending on if you purchase it yourself, you save, or if you sell to someone else, you make a commission off of that. And not so much even for that, but just for hobbyists, you want to save a discount, great way to do so by joining the Stampin' Up! Team. We have a great thousands and thousands of demonstrators all throughout the country. And heck, we must be onto something good if we've been around so long, right? So reach out, let me know. Otherwise, I'd love to have you as a customer if you're currently not working with a demonstrator. I wish you well, be safe out there, and thanks so much for taking time to join me today. And we'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye for now.